Hi, tonight's video is a quick unboxing. So what I think I'll do is I'll add last week's quick unboxing to the end of this one because they were just, both quick videos. And to get to the good stuff, I wanted something that I wouldn't normally buy. I've never been much of a shoe girl. As you can tell from the box, it's a pair of Louis Vuitton shoes. So I decided to splurge. And of course, the Louis Vuitton shoe dust bag. And I am not by any way, shape, or form a heels girl. I wear sandals and sneakers, and that is the extent of my shoe repertoire. So I got Louis Vuitton sneakers. Aren't they cute? There they are. And they came with extra laces in black and another pair of extra laces in white, so I can mix it up. But they are adorable. These are a size 40 and I am a 10 in women's. So yeah, they are cute. And I love that they have Louis Vuitton at the bottom as well. Very cute. So whenever I go to lunch with my girls or date night or something like that, I'm just not a heels person. I guess because I wear sneakers at work all day, and these are just gonna fit right in. I would never wear these to work, but they're gonna be awesome once the planet opens back up and we can have real date nights. They'll be awesome, and they'll be good for malls and movies and just fun stuff in between. But I hope you like them because I love them. And there we go. There was another pair that I wanted, and I'll stick a picture right there. And I like them, but they are not canvas. They were like a woven, that jacquard, but they have like a coating on it or something, and the heels were super thick. And one, I didn't like how high the heels were, the soles were, and two, I thought that's too much white to get dirty. So I just passed on them to get these, and I'm very happy that I did. So I hope you stick around and watch my awesome other unboxing. I am completely over the moon. I don't even have words for how happy I am with my next unboxing. So I hope you just push the subscribe button, stick around, and see it. Okay. Thank you. Aloha. Hi. Today's video is just a quick unboxing, so I'll just get right to it. It's a Louis Vuitton, and I purchased this cutie to go with something else. And she is the Louis Vuitton. This is from the men's collection. Key holder. Isn't it cool? It's shaped like an old school hotel key, all in silver, and it's still got the plastic on her. I'll pull it off in a second. But my reason for purchasing that, I am beyond over the moon with this purchase. It's a Genesis GV80 in Himalayan gray, and I will add in some photos and maybe a little car tour and whatever else I can film of it after this portion. But I am happy and ecstatic. I am just beyond, like, you couldn't tell me anything driving from, I bought it in California and I had it shipped to Hawaii, and from the moment I went down to the dock to get it to right now, you couldn't tell me nothing. I mean, this car is way cooler than I'm ever gonna be, and I am beyond happy with it. I haven't found anything I don't like about it. I love every aspect of it, and for those of you who know me, who know my weight and all that other stuff, I'll maybe touch on that later, but it is so worth the wait. I'm so happy. I mean, the poor girl at the dock, she had to see my happy dance like at least 5 times. I'm sorry if she ever sees this video. I apologize again because I was beyond. I mean, like, beyond. I'm just, I don't even have words for it. So I will add those clips sooner or later. And thank you, aloha, and of course, be kind.